Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be learning two different ways we can make tasty Nigerian pancakes for both lovers of sugar and non-lovers of sugar. Here are the ingredients we're using for both recipes. Flour. I'm going to be measuring 2 cups of flour for each recipe. I'm also going to be using green bell pepper, yellow and red bonnet pepper, salt to taste, seasoning cube, onions, baking powder, liquid milk. You can also use powdered milk, whichever one you have available, it's okay. Sugar, melted butter, and egg. So, without wasting your time, let's get into business. Into a bowl, measure 2 cups of flour. Add half level teaspoon of baking powder and mix everything together. Afterwards, crack 1 egg into a bowl. Add all the liquid ingredients together and stir. I will start by adding my liquid milk and then 1/8 cup of melted butter. Melted butter actually helps the pancake to be moist and not crispy. Alright. Also, my milk, I didn't measure my milk because I just decided to use this quantity of milk. Some people actually use only milk as the liquid for this recipe, so any amount of milk you wish to use, it's okay. Alright, then begin to add your onion, all the pepper, your seasoning cube, salt to taste, and mix everything together. I'm also going to be adding 1 cup of water to this mixture. Alright, this is because I'm not very sure of the amount of water that will be enough to mix the 2 cups of flour that we're using for this recipe. Alright, so when we're mixing the dry and liquid mixture together, we can be adding water bit by bit until we get the desired consistency. Alright, make a hole, pour in the liquid mixture and mix everything together. So you can see the liquid is not enough, so we're going to be adding water bit by bit until we get the consistency that we want. Can you see? So I'm testing for salt. The salt was not enough, so I had to add extra salt. Can you see the consistency? It's not too loose and it's not too thick. That is okay. So we're mixing for the second recipe. It's just 1 egg that is in the bowl, so I'm adding the same quantity of melted butter, which is 1/8, and I'm adding my liquid milk. So mix everything together. So we're using 2 cups of flour, that's 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 cup of sugar, and half level teaspoon of baking powder. Mix everything together. Create a hole at the center and pour in the liquid mixture. Mix everything together. So as we did in the first recipe, we're also going to be adding water to this as we're mixing until we get the desired consistency. Can you see the consistency? Yeah. Here are both recipes, the one with sugar and the one without sugar. So next, we're going to be setting up our frying pan, and we're frying with butter. Okay, so set up your frying pan. Grease your pan with butter. Scoop 1 spoon of the pancake mix and place in the frying pan. Allow to cook. Can you see the bubbles on the pancake? Can you see these bubbles on the pancake? Can you see the bubbles that is appearing on the pancake? Yeah, it shows that the side of the pancake on the pan is done, is ready. So it's time to flip to this other side to cook. Can you see? Yeah. So after flipping the pancake, allow it to cook for like 30 seconds before removing it from the fire. Grease your pan again and repeat the same thing. Look at the bubbles. Can you see it appearing? Yeah, it shows that this is ready. So flip it to this other side to cook. Yeah. So do this until you're done frying both recipes. All right. Also, please fry with low heat. Okay. Wow, look at the final result. Guys, this looks yummy and smells delicious. Oh yeah, now give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe and tap the notification bell so that anytime I post new recipes, you will be notified.